Hey ladies, if you're interested in how I got this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so you know we got to start off with a fresh set of nails. So I'm going to clip my original nails. I just took some nails off, guys, so they super bummy right now. But you're going to just pretty much clean them up, push your cuticles back, which is what I'm doing right now. After pushing the skin back, you're going to be left with dead skin on your actual cuticles, so you need to remove that off of your nails. You want to make sure that the nail acrylic is going to properly stick to your nail bed, and you don't want to cause any lifting, so just make sure that you remove as much as the skin off as possible, and make sure that you do rough up the actual nail bed so the nail as well as the acrylic has something to actually stick to. If you don't have a drill, that's fine. I also do it with a file manually. I do use the softest drill bit that I can on my real nail so it doesn't cause any damage. And then if I feel like I missed a spot or anything, I will take the file, as you can see here, and I'll just go into those cracks and really just make sure that I get the nail shine off as much as possible. Also, you're going to make sure you clean that afterwards, because of course you need a clean nail bed in order for it to stick properly. You're going to size your nail tips to your finger. Just make sure that they do not go over your nail bed and it's touching your skin. If you feel it touching your skin, go ahead and cut it accordingly, or you can size down. But that is another way that it lifts, is if the nail tip is too large. So you can just see me adjusting the nail tip and kind of shaping it myself before I apply it to my own nails, just because I'm doing my own nails. So you know, I kind of found out ways to properly do my own nails as much as possible. It's slightly different when I do a client, but not too much different. I just make sure that I glue the nails on first after I fit them, and then I go in with shaping. But it's kind of difficult for me to shape on my own hands right now, so I try and do it before I actually apply. Also, there are nail tips that'll keep you from working harder. I'm just kind of used to shaping it myself, but they do have nail tips. I'll try to make sure that I post that in the comment section of where you can purchase the nail tips that are already shaped, like in the Coffin or the stiletto shape. I have posted some of these products down in my previous videos, but I'll make sure that I post it as well here. These are just, you know, clear nail tips that I purchased from Amazon, as well as the glue sticks. I believe I either got them from Amazon or one of my local nail supply stores here in Houston, but I'll definitely still post the products that I know work personally, that I've used, that are very similar to what I'm using here, if you would like to achieve this look, or if you would like to do this look on someone else. So here you're going to see me applying them. I'm just going to make sure that they're fitting tight as possible. And yeah, so I have shaped them the best way that I felt like that I could. Now, after applying the tips, I'm going to make sure that I blend the tip in with my actual nail. Of course, here is my acrylic primer and bonding. That is just to make sure that I get the best adhesive possible when applying the actual acrylic to my nails. Alright, after you get your desired color, and for those who are interested in the actual color, they are from my upcoming acrylic line. There is a orange. If you look at my previous video, and I'll make sure I link it below, then you will see the color swatches that I did to try and figure out which colors I wanted to use. This is, I think I called it pumpkin spice, and then it's just a white acrylic. So you're going to take your two colors, and you're pretty much just going to kind of randomly put them in different places, until you kind of see a marble like pattern going on. I did choose this color. This is a little bit around Thanksgiving, y'all, so I'm kind of still catching up on posting my videos. I have so many videos I'm behind, so of course I did kind of do this look around like Thanksgiving time, but we're still in the winter. It's still cold. These colors still go. So if you would still like to do this, you can do this with red. Since we're around Christmas time, you can do it with like a dark brown. Or if you want to do it the regular marble way, you can just do like pink and white. Like marble is so popular, it will never go out of style. So of course you see I wanted the tips to be marble, some of the tips to be marble, and then some of them I wanted just regular ombre, and then I had one nail on each finger that was fully marble. So you're going to do the marble nails first, the tips, then you put the solid color at the tips if you're doing an ombre nail, and then I went and just did the full marble look. So as far as ombre goes, if you all are interested in that video, I think I did a video, but if you are interested in seeing me do a video, then I'll definitely post that for you guys. It works with any color, any design. Y'all, I love me some marble. Okay, so you can see after I have applied my base colors, I'm going to go in with the nude that I like, and I'm going to apply that lastly. I'm going to put the nude in the middle first, just so I can kind of get my ombre together and get it to fade, and then I move up to the actual cuticle area. You don't necessarily want to touch the cuticle area. If you do, just clean it up, you're fine, as long as it doesn't dry on your cuticles, because that will cause lifting as well. These nails have kind of a curve to them, which is fine. I don't normally use the curved nails, but every once in a while, depending on how I'm feeling, I will definitely put them on. So I thought it was a cute look. Now I'm switching over to my left hand, and guys, like, y'all don't even understand. I mean, my right hand, my right hand. So I'm right-handed. So my left hand is always bomb, guys. But like when I gotta do my right hand, y'all, your girl just be struggling. Look at it, it's just a mess. Bless it. I do have to go back and correct it at times. It's fine. I'm used to it on myself. You know, I have no problem with doing other clients because I'm going to still be using that right hand. But honey, if you ever ask me to see my nails, I'm going to give you this left hand because this left hand is perfect. This right hand, on the other hand, So after I get my desired look, I'm going to go in with clear. And that's just to encapsulate the actual color. So when I start to file and drill, it will not remove my color or the ombre away like the fade. Also, it is to fill in any type of lumps or bumps that I need to be smoothed out. So that's basically what I'm doing now, is encapsulating the nail. And that's just to give it a smoother look. Y'all, that curve is so cute. I really do not care for curved nails, but they did it for me. They really did do it for me. They did an amazing job. Like, I was so happy with them at the end of it all. You know, I was clacking like that. Yes, I have a pair of nails on right now. Not this pair. I got a video coming up soon. But it was so cute. I really liked them. And it's so funny, guys, because literally this was around the time that the election, and I was so mad at Donald Trump, y'all, that I literally did a video on my Instagram cutting these nails off, literally maybe not even 3 or 4 days after I did them. Y'all gotta see it on my page. I'm not gonna post it here, but if you want to see it, then go to my Instagram. It's at @the_real_ChatneyB. I cut them bad boys off like 3 days after doing this set. But then I regretted it afterwards because I was like, they were so cute. So here I'm just doing the other hand, of course, you know, my struggle hand. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm taking that clear and I'm going to encapsulate all the nails just to make sure each one looks cohesive as possible and smooth as possible. If you see any lumps or anything of that sort, don't worry about it, girl. I know how to file, so you shouldn't worry about it either. Just try to get it on as smooth as possible, and then go back and file it, and they will be absolutely fine. Clean up your sides when you're doing those. Again, when it comes down to the full marble nail, I do put the marble on as thin as possible, and then I go in with my clear acrylic just to give it its thickness and also bring everything together to look more adhesive. I can't talk today. All right, now it's time to file. Remember I told you, don't worry about those little mishaps or little lumps and stuff. You do the best you can, and then you go and you correct it. That's exactly what we're doing here. We're going to smooth it down. Also, we're going to make sure that the ombre is as smooth as possible. Cleaning up the sides as well. Again, if you do not have a drill, that's okay. You can do that with a file as well. I've done it both ways, so it's very much possible to get a very smooth, seamless look, either with a drill or a file. I actually started out with a hand file and had to teach myself how to do the drill. And trust me, I cut my hands up quite a bit trying to learn, so you take your time, okay? And that's pretty much it. You know, I'm just going to go through every single nail just to make sure that it is as smooth as possible, and that it is giving me the shape that I want as well. So that's just the rest of this part with the drilling. Alright, now that I've drilled, I'm just going to clean them off a bit, just kind of look and see if there's anything that needs to be fixed. And here is how they look once I've applied the gel top coat on it. Aren't they so pretty? Like, when I tell y'all, this can be so cute with any color you decide to do it with. I love marble, and marble never goes out of style. And it does not matter what season you're in, you can just switch out the colors and it's going to always work. Your girl needs some cuticle oil on there, but other than that, do you see that shine? So I'm just going to finish drying, and then now it's time for me to paint my right hand. And I'm alright with the painting, guys. I think I got that part down. I can paint, but I'm still working on the applying the other stuff. One day at a time, okay? One day at a time. It's not an overnight thing. Although I've been doing my nails for quite some time, I don't worry about the small things. Just get it on there and get them done and make them look pretty. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this gel coat. I purchased this gel coat also on Amazon, so I'll link that down, but it's really, really good. I've used it on my toes as well as my fingernails a few times. I haven't dealt with any type of chipping or anything, and that shine is so pretty. That gel cure, the hand dryer, I also purchased from Amazon. I will make sure that I post that down below as well. And it takes it no time to dry my nails. And here is the finishing look. If you enjoyed this video or like this set, please comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you share this video. Until next time, see you later.